I master around the door cards to protect the paint from the pry tool when removing the door cards. Something I really like about this Landcruiser is the use of painted metals in the interior with limited use of plastics. I think that's pretty cool, something I've never seen before. To remove the door cards, I unscrewed the armrest with a Phillips head screwdriver before taping around the manual window crank. These door cards are easily damaged, so care must be taken. Using the thinnest pry tool I have, I push the plastic collar down to see where the end of the retaining clip was, and then push the open-ended side of the clip towards the closed end of the clip. You can see that here by the way the retaining clip just pops out. I also push the retaining clip back into the crank after removing it, as putting the crank back on is easy and it just needs to be pushed on. Super simple. I had troubles figuring this system out in the beginning, but the main idea is to unseat the clip so it no longer catches on the grooves of the manual winding male connector. Hopefully this footage gives you an idea of how the clip is held in so you can remove yours quickly, as the first time I did this, it definitely took me a lot of time to figure it out. Pop out the interior door handle by unscrewing the Phillips head and sliding the handle towards the front of the vehicle. I love how easy this truck is to take apart and put back together, and all you need is a screwdriver, 10mm socket, and a pry tool. Next, pop out the plastic retaining clips behind the door card and be sure to pry as close to the clip as possible. Behind these cards are just a thin MDF, and if you pry on an angle, you will damage the board around the clip, which will render that attachment point useless. Next, I use this really cool spin move to remove the door card. This means I don't have to stuff around with removing the entire door handle assembly, which I've seen some people do in some instructional videos. In this footage, you can see how many clips there are on the door card and their location. I hope this helps you out a little bit.